Imagine that your ideal partner always understands you without words, fulfills any of your fantasies, and never says no. This is not science fiction. Technology is already changing our intimate lives. Today, you'll learn about sexual fantasies that are only possible with artificial intelligence. Spoiler, you'll be surprised. Modern technology has made what once seemed like fantasy a reality. We're not just talking about the physical aspects of relationships, but also deep emotional and psychological connections. Artificial intelligence can analyze desires, adapt to a partner, and create realistic models of communication that rival real human interactions. Now, imagine that you have the ability to create the perfect lover from scratch. You choose their character, voice, manners, and even their level of passion. No more adjusting to someone else's expectations. The entire world of intimate fantasies now adapts to you. This is a new stage in the evolution of relationships, where humans and machines merge into something unique. AI can analyze your desires and create ideal virtual lovers. They respond to your words, study your preferences, and adapt to your fantasies. Modern technologies allow virtual partners to develop unique personalities, remember conversations, and adjust to your emotions, creating the effect of real communication. AI is already being tested in various fields, from communication simulators to applications that help combat loneliness. It can generate unique responses, recognize the tone of voice, and even understand hidden emotions. This makes interactions feel more natural and personalized. But this is just the beginning. The development of neural networks and big data processing enables the creation of even more complex and realistic behavior models. In the future, virtual partners will not only imitate emotions, but also develop their own personalities based on interaction with the user. They will be able to show care, jealousy, suggest new ideas for communication, and even offer advice. Some advanced algorithms will allow the creation of fully personalized interaction scenarios that adapt to each user in real time. Moreover, the development of biometric sensors will enable virtual partners to analyze not only your words and emotions, but also physiological reactions. This will lead to the emergence of lovers who can literally feel your sensations, tuning into your biorhythms and adapting to them. Modern androids with AI not only look like real people, but can also imitate emotions. They engage in conversations, respond to moods, and even take initiative. Technology has enabled the creation of realistic skin-like materials and advanced movement algorithms, making interactions with robots increasingly lifelike. Thanks to advancements in sensory technology, androids can recognize facial expressions, analyze vocal intonations, and even interpret nonverbal signals. This allows them to adapt to the emotional state of their conversation partner, making communication as natural as possible. Some cutting-edge models are equipped with biological reaction simulation systems, such as an accelerated heartbeat or changes in body temperature in response to touch. The use of biometric sensors allows robots to analyze heart rate, body temperature, and arousal levels, adjusting in real time to their partner's sensations. In the future, such devices will be able to fully simulate complex emotional and physiological reactions. Some developments already include artificial hormonal modules that enable robots to express moods, affecting their behavior. This can create the illusion of deep emotions that change depending on the situation. Work is also underway on algorithms that will allow robots to model trust and attachment levels based on the duration of interactions. Moreover, scientists are working on creating autonomous learning systems that will enable robots to not just respond to commands, but also anticipate the owner's desires. Imagine a robot that not only follows instructions, but also suggests new interaction scenarios based on your preferences and mood. Some models will be able to analyze past interactions, identify patterns in user desires, and offer the most appropriate communication scenarios. In the future, such androids may emulate the development of romantic relationships, creating the effect of real emotional closeness. It is possible that users will be able to customize the level of spontaneity and emotional responsiveness of their digital partner, making the interaction even more personalized. In the long run, such technologies may become not just tools for entertainment, but full-fledged partners for people who struggle with communication or seek alternative ways to experience intimacy. Some experts believe that robotic partners will not only provide emotional support, but also help people suffering from social anxiety or post-traumatic stress disorder. The application of AI in this field could open new frontiers for therapy, allowing people to safely explore emotional closeness and interaction without fear of judgment. With VR and AI, you can fully immerse yourself in a world of fantasies. Special suits transmit tactile sensations, creating the effect of complete presence. Users can choose ready-made scenarios or generate unique worlds where they experience romantic or passionate stories. Artificial intelligence technologies allow the creation of adaptive virtual worlds that change depending on user preferences. This can include not just traditional romantic experiences, but also deeper emotional scenarios, such as relationship development, overcoming conflicts, and even shared adventures. VR partners can analyze user behavior and respond to it, creating the illusion of genuine, live interaction. VR is not limited to individual interactions. Connecting to networked spaces allows people to meet and develop virtual relationships. Thanks to multiplayer modes, couples can interact in a virtual environment regardless of their physical location, creating unique moments of closeness and shared experiences. In the future, neurointerface technologies will make virtual experiences even more realistic, transmitting not just visual and audio information, but also tactile sensations and emotional impulses, synchronizing them with real physical reactions. Scientists are already experimenting with full immersion technology, where signals are transmitted directly to the brain, bypassing sensory organs. In such a system, the user will be able to experience the virtual world just as they do the real one. This opens incredible prospects for modeling intimate scenarios in which the boundary between virtual and physical reality disappears. The combination of VR and brain-computer interfaces will allow users not only to see and hear the virtual environment, but also to feel it on a deep level, including realistic touches, temperature changes, and even scents. The ability to program personalized interaction scenarios with virtual partners will make this experience unique for every user, providing unlimited opportunities for exploring their fantasies, experiencing new emotions, and forming meaningful virtual connections. The boundaries of what is possible are expanding, and AI is making its mark even in the most intimate aspects of life. Who knows? Maybe in the future, you'll have an ideal digital lover. Artificial intelligence is already redefining relationships, allowing people to find not only physical, but also emotional intimacy through technology. Virtual partners, sex robots, and adaptive role-playing games are becoming more advanced each year. We are on the brink of a new era where relationships between humans and AI will no longer be a fantasy, but an integral part of everyday life. But are we ready for such changes? What does this mean for traditional relationships, society, and human values? In the meantime, share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the future of intimate technologies? Subscribe, hit like, and see you in the next video.